As a software engineer who has been working in the healthcare domain for the last 3 years, I just wanted to know what was happening in the healthcare domain in the Indian context. That's the reason why I visited Hospex, which is a healthcare expo that was held in Cochin this last week. It was a 3-day conference that was held. I just visited the last day because that's the only day where the conversation revolved around smart hospitals and the integration with the technology. Since I was interested in that, I went just on the last day. There were two main aspects of the conference. One was the keynotes and the ideas that were being shared on the stage. The second one was businesses and startups or who were pitching their products and services to the world. And in this video, I would like to share a few of the key ideas that were shared in the last day of the conference, as well as a few of the products that caught my eye. At first, I would like to start with the products. First one was DoctorAssist.ai. It's a tool that helps doctors to give suggestions on diagnosis and treatment plans and things like that. Basically help doctors in a day-to-day environment so that they can perform their tasks much more easily. The second one was Emonet. It's an app made for Android. It was made by a student, and it's a mental health wellness app basically. And the main feature about this app that I liked was the calling feature, or a tele-journaling feature. That is, you can set a schedule at a particular time, and the app or the backend will call you. It's an automated call basically, and you can pick up the call and it will give a prompt, and you can talk back to it, or you can just say what's happening in your day-to-day lives. So it's a kind of like a tele-journaling platform. The third is Lamitech. It's a company that provides DNA-based analysis as a service. They provide you a kit for purchase, and once purchased, you can submit your saliva and just send it to them for analysis. And after a few days of analysis, and they'll give you the biomarkers, and based on that biomarkers, they'll give you diet plans and nutrition plans and things like that. And according to them, they are providing the services to like premier athletes and politicians for this. And that was a really cool idea that I heard. Yeah, apart from these three, there were like hundreds of companies who were pitching their products. There was pitching their services, their like premier lineups and things like that for hospitals. But yeah, these three were the ones that actually caught my eye very much. Coming to keynotes, the major idea revolved around promoting electronic documentations rather than having the pen and paper systems that we normally have. There were a few conversations around why the adoption rate of the technology in these systems were quite low. And an important point on electronic documentation was revolving around HCX, which is Health Claims Exchange in India. It's an FHIR based EHR exchange for transferring data between hospitals, insurances, and patients for easy claims processing. So this would enable faster claims processing, which should improve how fast the insurance get processed. While we are mentioning about EHR, we should also mention about Ayushman Bharat, which is a government-led policy in digitalizing healthcare. Ayushman Bharat has different components to it. One is the 14-digit Aadhaar number, which is the Ayushman Bharat account, which is linked to a single patient, and this would enable a patient to be tracked across nation's healthcare system. This is being integrated right now. Another aspect of it is the unified health interface, similar to how we have the unified payment interface or UPI right now. Similar to that, we have the unified health interface that will lead patients to actually give out their PHR, personal health records, for a better healthcare system as a whole. Other than these, there were other conversations too revolving smart hospitals, especially like the home care system and how we need to evolve as a home care system. There was a talk by Dr. Nadeem Shah on 5G ambulance and his vision of how the ambulance should be, and how is providing a new kind of system for ambulances. That particular talk was even more inspiring because he was mentioning about why he was doing what he was doing, and his mission on reducing the deaths caused by accidents by giving care on the go. So that was a unique talk. Overall, the conference was very informative for me, and it gave me an idea of things that I need to be aware of and I need to keep an eye out for. But yeah, these were a few of my takeaways from the conference, and I hope you learned something from it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.